Cancer. It's a word that evokes fear and uncertainty. As healthcare professionals, understanding its mechanisms is paramount. Cancer is a group of diseases characterized by uncontrolled cell growth and the potential to invade other tissues. This uninhibited growth stems from abnormalities in the cell cycle. Imagine a car accelerating without brakes. That's how cancer cells proliferate. This uncontrolled division leads to the formation of tumors. Benign tumors are localized and non-invasive, while malignant tumors can invade and spread, a process known as metastasis. Recognizing the hallmarks of cancer helps us better identify, manage, and combat this disease. At the heart of cancer lies the transformation of normal cells into malignant ones. This process, known as carcinogenesis, is driven by genetic and environmental factors. The first step often involves damage to the cell's DNA. Carcinogens like tobacco smoke and ultraviolet radiation introduce errors into the DNA code. These errors can lead to mutations in genes that control cell growth, repair, and death. Like a broken switch stuck in the on position, these mutations cause cells to grow uncontrollably. This uncontrolled growth leads to tumor formation. Understanding cellular transformation is crucial for developing strategies to prevent, detect, and treat cancer. Genetic mutations are the driving force behind cancer development. These mutations can occur due to various factors, including environmental influences, lifestyle choices, and even random errors during cell division. These alterations in the DNA sequence disrupt normal gene function, leading to uncontrolled cell growth. When the DNA sequence is altered, it can cause genes to behave abnormally, which is a hallmark of cancer. Think of DNA as an instruction manual. Mutations are typos that change the meaning. Just like a typo can change the instructions in a manual, a mutation can alter the instructions for cell growth and division. Oncogenes, for example, are like accelerators of cell growth. They push cells to grow and divide. Normally, they are tightly regulated. When mutated, they cause cells to divide uncontrollably. This unchecked division is a key feature of cancerous cells. Tumor suppressor genes are the brakes that keep cell growth in check. They ensure that cells do not grow and divide too rapidly. Mutations in these genes disable the brakes, allowing unchecked proliferation. Without these brakes, cells can grow out of control. DNA repair genes fix errors during DNA replication. They act as a maintenance crew, correcting mistakes that occur when DNA is copied. Mutations in these genes lead to a buildup of DNA damage, increasing cancer risk. When these repair mechanisms fail, errors accumulate, making cells more prone to becoming cancerous. The accumulation of mutations transforms a normal cell into a cancerous one. Over time, these genetic changes can lead to the development of tumors. Understanding specific mutations helps guide treatment decisions and predict prognosis. By identifying the exact genetic changes, doctors can tailor treatments to target the cancer more effectively. Angiogenesis, fueling cancer's growth. As a tumor grows, it requires a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. This is essential for its survival and expansion. Cancer cells hijack the body's natural process of angiogenesis, building their own blood supply. This allows them to thrive and spread. Imagine a city growing rapidly, needing more resources. Just like a city needs more infrastructure, a tumor needs more blood vessels. Similarly, a tumor needs more nutrients and oxygen to sustain its growth. Without these, it cannot continue to expand. Tumor cells release signaling molecules to stimulate new blood vessel growth. These molecules act like beacons, attracting blood vessels to the tumor. These new vessels provide the tumor with essential nutrients and oxygen. This process is crucial for the tumor's continued growth and survival. Angiogenesis is a critical turning point in cancer development. It marks the transition from a dormant state to aggressive growth. Without a blood supply, tumors can only grow to a limited size. They remain small and less harmful. Targeting angiogenesis is a promising strategy for cancer treatment. By cutting off the blood supply, we can starve the tumor and inhibit its growth. Metastasis, the spread of cancer. Metastasis is the spread of cancer from its primary site to other parts of the body. This process is what makes cancer particularly dangerous and difficult to treat effectively. It's the reason why cancer can be so challenging to treat. The ability of cancer cells to move and establish new tumors in different organs complicates treatment options. Imagine a dandelion seed head bursting open, scattering its seeds. Each seed has the potential to grow into a new plant, just as each cancer cell can form a new tumor. Similarly, cancer cells can break away from the primary tumor and travel through the bloodstream or lymphatic system. This journey allows them to reach distant organs and tissues. The metastatic cascade involves a series of steps. Each step is crucial for the cancer cells to successfully establish a new tumor site. Cancer cells invade surrounding tissue, break free, and enter the bloodstream or lymphatic system. This invasion is the first step in their journey to form new tumors. Circulating tumor cells face challenges like immune system attacks and mechanical stress. These obstacles can prevent many cells from surviving the journey. Those that survive must exit the circulatory system and invade new tissue, forming a secondary tumor. This new tumor can then grow and potentially spread further. Understanding metastasis is crucial for developing strategies to prevent cancer spread. By learning how cancer cells move and establish new tumors, researchers can create better treatments to stop this process. The immune system and cancer. The immune system plays a complex role in cancer. It acts as both a protector and a potential target. Think of the immune system as a vigilant security force. Its arsenal includes specialized cells like T cells and natural killer cells. However, cancer cells can evolve mechanisms to evade immune detection. They express molecules that suppress immune responses and create an immunosuppressive microenvironment. This microenvironment turns the immune system against itself. Understanding the interplay between the immune system and cancer is crucial for developing effective immunotherapies. Conclusion: cancer is a complex disease, but understanding its mechanisms helps develop effective strategies for prevention, early detection, and treatment. Each step in cancer development presents an opportunity for timely intervention. By staying abreast of the latest research and embracing a multidisciplinary approach, we can provide the best possible outcomes for our patients in their fight against cancer.